In this video, we will explore how to consolidate or sum multiple Excel worksheets into one. Consolidation, which means combine, allows an analyst to combine information from multiple worksheets. Good examples would be at the end of a budget season, you usually will have about 5 or 6 budget centers or departments or sections of a company, and they all completed their budget. Now it's the job of an analyst or a finance manager to combine all of these worksheets or budgets into one corporate budget. You will need consolidation for that. And if you sell multiple products, like 5 products, and you have 10 teams, at the end of the month, if you want to know the total sales that's been made, you will need to consolidate. So how do you do that? That's what we're about to walk through right now. So first thing you need to do is, if we look at this template here, we have various worksheets that are budget for these departments, and we want to sum them up in this consolidated budget. Now, first criteria that needs to be met is that these worksheets, they're identical and they're the same as this consolidated budget template. If they're different, then this won't work. So now, since that's met in this case, we can come and identify where we want to start our consolidation, which is January 2023 gross revenue, that is E6. So I click there and then I type equal sum. We want to start summing from the sales tab, so we click sales. And the last tab is business services, right? So we hold the shift and click business services. That selects all of the tabs, and it tells Excel we want to sum this from sales to business services. Then the next thing we need to do is tell Excel what cell we want to start summing from, and that is E6. So E6 is selected. Now we press the enter key. Once that is pressed, that's summed up. It has summed up every single one of those tabs in this worksheets here. So it has summed up from sales to business services. Now what we need to do is just drag that over here to complete it, and then the rest will just be, you copy this and just press here, select that, select everything, all the lines in your P&L, and just Control V, paste. So right now we have summed up every single line here combined into a consolidated P&L or consolidated budget. So this is how you consolidate multiple worksheets, whether it's a P&L or whether it's sales data or whether it's a forecast. However the data is, the first thing you need to just make sure that the tabs are identical before you start summing them up. And always remember to build that check here. I built this to make sure that the net income here is equal to the sum of all the net incomes in the various budget centers or departments. Once that is 0, you know that you've captured every single number in this worksheet.